unconventional range of instruments to provide liquidity and to promote growth and to ensure financial stability. The two examples that I can cite and which can stand before as a classic example are the moratorium on loan repayments and also the liquidity infusion which happened during that time. Later came the Russia-Ukraine war. RBI's measures primarily aimed at two things. One, to address the inflation and the forex market's volatility. RBI, in fact, has been one of the earliest to recognize the non-transient nature of inflation. One of the few central banks, if I may say so, to front-load policy rate hikes in particular. Forex reserve management is also something on which we have this opportune moment to recall the work done by the RBI. Building up reserves, including foreign exchange interventions. In the past few years, India's capacity to manage and also to take care of external imbalances and uncertainties have significantly improved purely because of the professional management of the RBI. Rupee has exhibited lower volatility and orderly movements is what we notice of the rupee, and they are in relative terms to the rest of its peers. Managing India's banks is something which I'll recall at this time. A decade ago, balance sheet problem, today is a balance sheet advantage. That advantage accrues to our economy. Collaborative effort of the Government of India and RBI, the asset quality management, prompt corrective action framework are all great functions well carried out by our true regulator of the banks, Reserve Bank of India. Fiscal and monetary policy coordination. As always, the Government of India is one of the governments, like very many others, and RBI manages its debt, which is very important for government. Inflation management, despite monetary tightening pressures and the measures which have been taken for monetary tightening, has stabilized the G-Sec yields, which is very important for the economy. The stability in G-Sec markets has contributed to overall financial market resilience and investor confidence in the Indian economy. Lastly, the Bank of International Settlements, BIS, has mentioned significant role played by RBI in a very unconventional point. RBI's role in anchoring inflation expectations using communication policy is significant, is what the BIS has said. And I'm sure not one in this audience would disagree with that. Apart from forward guidance, it was used for explaining the rationale. The policy of communication management has been used for explaining the rationale for the measures taken by the RBI. Thus, in the economy, confidence was built, and then optimism, if I can say so, optimism has been held up even during pandemic, held high and never let down. So optimism building is a very beautiful function which the RBI during crisis time has handled because it adopted this unconventional instrument of communication with the people. And final word, institutional integrity is something which I would credit the RBI, and among very many central banks, India's RBI, for its institutional credibility, needs a big applause in the 90th anniversary. Thank you very much.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.